Hey guys, NielVTEC here, and today I'll be showing you how to change your power steering fluid in your Acura RSX. Now it's important to do this if your steering is very stiff or if you just want to prevent damaging your power steering pump, which is way more expensive than just getting new power steering fluids. And it's always a good idea to maintain your car properly. Now the only tools you'll need for this job is something to suck all the old fluid out, like a syringe, but in my case I'll be using a turkey baster just like this one right here, a funnel, and obviously new fluids. And keep in mind, the more bottles you get, the cleaner it will be. And it's always a good idea to get paper towels. Now the first thing you want to do is clean around the reservoir so there's no debris that could go inside, and it's always a good idea to work on something clean than dirty. And just like that. Now the next thing you want to do is open it up and you're ready to begin the process. So the first step is to suck all the fluid out of the reservoir, just like this. And put it somewhere safe so you can recycle it afterwards. In my case, I'll be using a cup. Now the next thing you want to do is add the new fluid to the max, just like this. Close this up. So the next thing you want to do is turn your car on. And turn your steering all the way to the left and all the way to the right 10 to 20 times, just like this. And yeah, you want to repeat this process as much as you want. The more you do it, the better. And yeah, I'll show you guys the difference. So yeah, just to show you the difference, this is a new fluid. The first flush, second, third, and so on. This took me about 4 bottles. So if you want a cleaner one, you'll have to get more than 4. And you guys can't really see the difference in the camera. So the first one should look like this. The light doesn't even pass through. And the last one I did, it should look like this. As you can see, the light is passing through, so that means it's kind of clean. So yeah, it's that simple. This should only take you around 20 minutes or 30 minutes to do, depending on how much you want to redo the flush. So I highly recommend you to do this at least every 2 to 4 years, depending on how much you want to take care of your car. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions, so don't hesitate. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.